Hi, I'm Craig Johnson, and I've had the opportunity to direct the hilarious sex farce Boeing Boeing in 2 different productions. In 2015 for Torch Theatre in Minneapolis, and for Commonweal Theatre in Lanesboro, Minnesota in 2019. The main character thinks he can have 3 girlfriends at the same time because he can just coordinate schedules. You see, the girlfriends are all airline stewardesses. But of course, the whole plan goes disastrously awry, but ends happily for everyone. It was a challenge to get the 7 doors for the set onto the small thrust stage at Commonweal, but set designer Justin Hooper, I think, did a pretty marvelous job at that. He even coordinated the furniture and set dressing to match the iconic stewardess outfits. Here are 3 short video clips from the Commonweal production, and then some pictures from the Torch production. Enjoy!
Oh, that's what you think, is it? Don't you remember she called to say she was going to be late? Yes, and while you were out, she called back to say that she was going to be early. Really? How early? How early? She's here. In there. Oh my God, why didn't you say something? You idiot! Idiot! Where? When? How? In front of the other one?
I'm really feeling much better. You coming?
In a minute, darling.
Well, don't keep me waiting too long or I can fall asleep.
Uh-oh.
Good night, Robert, dear.
I've never seen a girl freshly bathed before. It's quite something. Oh, keep your voice down. He's got a headache. What? You've got a headache? No! I know! What about a bath? She's only just had one, you fool! Have another one!
I've not had one yet. The butter's too hot.
Well, hurry back before it gets too cold! Yes, it gets cold very quickly in this apartment! No, later! Later, we're going to the country! No, go ahead! I'll have one as well, Bertha!
So you're feeling me again?
I'm feeling a little dizzy.
Stop coming on!
Any minute now.
Really?